Class 10, Chapter 11, Trigonometry, Exercise 2, first bit, fifth one. Check out the remaining problems in the playlist and also subscribe my YouTube channel Rajesh Babu Maths. First bit, evaluate the following. Fifth one, secant square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. You know the trigonometric ratios, you can substitute easily. If you don't know means I'll tell the technique, already I said in previous problem. Same method once again I'll repeat so that it is easy for you. First you write, always remember 30 degrees write down and 60 degrees write, and after that 45 degrees. Write sin, here cos and here tan. Okay, writing afterwards what you do means first 1 by 2 you write. Okay, sin 30 value is sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2, remember, and cos 30 degrees values is root 3 by 2. Always remember this 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. If you remember these two, you can write total values. See here 1 by 2 you root 3 by 2 you wrote now. Again root 3 by 2 you write here, means sin 60 root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2 right here, 1 by 2 right here. Afterwards sin numerator cos numerator is 1 by root 3 here. Tan you want write means easy. This numerator root 3 by 1 means root 3 by 1 means root 3. Okay, now 45 degrees easy, so you write down 1 by 2. Afterwards keep square root means 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, and you want write tan value means numerator of sin numerator and cos numerator. 1 by 1 means 1. Okay, you know this 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. You can write 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 45 degrees. This is the technique, easily keep it in mind. Now we'll substitute. Where secant square 60. Secant means what? Cos reciprocal is 60. Means cos 60. Cos 60 is equals to cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Means secant 60 degrees is equals to 2. Okay, but square there 2 square minus, write down this minus tan 60 degrees. Here tan 60 degrees is equals to what? Root 3. Square there, therefore root 3 whole square you write. Root 3 whole square. Write this by as it is. Sin 30. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. Sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. In the place of sin 30 we should write 1 by 2, but sin square 30 degrees there no. Therefore 1 by 2 whole square you should write. Okay, 1 by 2 whole square, and write down this place as it is. And cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees means root 3 by 2. Okay, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. In the place of cos 30 we should write root 3 by 2. But here what given? Cos square 30 degrees means cos square 30 degrees means we should write whole square. Okay, now we'll solve this problem. Now 2 square means what? 2 into 2, 4. Always remember 2 square means this base should write 2 times. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Suppose 2 to the power of 3 means some students how they are doing means 2, 3, 6 you are multiplying like that. Don't multiply like that. Base, this base you should write 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to 4, 4 to 8. Okay, you should write this base 3 times. Don't multiply 2, 3 into 6. Okay, now 2 into 2 is equals to 4 I wrote, minus this is square root and square get cancelled. This is 4 minus 3 is 1. I'll write next step. This is square root and square get cancelled 3. Okay, now denominator value 1 by 2 into 2 4 plus this root 3 I'll write separately, root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square by 2 square. Okay, a by b whole square is equals to a square by b square form. Now 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Okay, this numerator I wrote 4 minus 3 is equal to 1, and the denominator value 1 by 4 as it is write down as it is, write down as it is, plus now square root and square get cancelled. Okay, leftover value is 3 by 2 square means 2 into 2 4. Okay, now this one as it is write down. Afterwards here denominator values, here LCM is 4. Okay, here LCM is 4. LCM is equals 4. But remember here denominator value is equals to 4. Same there, denominator value. Therefore numerator you should write as it is. Here write plus. Here also denominator is equal 4, 4. Therefore 3 as t should write. Actually you should multiply by 1, but no need to multiply. Once see once 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here LCM is equals to 4, means what should multiply? Here should multiply by 1, multiply by 1, means 1 into 1 1, plus here 4 should make it 4, means 4 into 1 4. Same value should be multiplied in the numerator. 3 ones 3. Okay, but no need this step, you can write directly. Okay, now this numerator 1 as it is write down by, now 3 plus 1 is equals to 4, 3 plus 1 4 by 4. Okay, by 4. Now cancel this 4 and 4 is equals to 1 by 1. Okay, is equals to 1 only. Therefore answer is 1. Once I'll explain Hindi and Telugu. Once I'll tell in Telugu. Secant square 60 degrees ante 2 ఈ స్క్వేర్ ఉన్న కాబట్టి స్క్వేర్ రాసాం, మైనస్ రాయండి. tan 60 అంటే √3, స్క్వేర్ ఉన్నది కాబట్టి స్క్వేర్ రాయండి. పై sin 30 అంటే 1/2, తర్వాత sin స్క్వేర్ 30 డిగ్రీస్ ఉన్నది కాబట్టి స్క్వేర్ రాయండి. ప్లస్ cos స్క్వేర్ 30 డిగ్రీస్, cos 30 అంటే √3/2, స్క్వేర్ అంటే హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రాయండి. రాసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయండి, ఈ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ స్క్వేర్ గెట్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే 3a ఉంటుంది. 2 into 2 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 4, ఈ మైనస్ 3 బై 1/2 స్క్వేర్ అంటే 4 కదా, 2 into 2 4, ఈ ప్లస్ రాయండి. ఈ √3/2 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఏం రాసామంటే సపరేట్ చేసాం, √3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ బై 2 స్క్వేర్ సపరేట్ రాసి ఈ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ చేసిన తర్వాత 4 - 3 అంటే 1. మళ్ళీ కిందిది ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ 1/4 రాసి ఇలా ప్లస్ రాసి 3/4 రాసిన తర్వాత ఈ న్యూమరేటర్ 1 అలానే రాసి బై రాసి ఈ డినామినేటర్ ఎల్సిఎం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే 4 కదా, ఇక్కడ 4 రాసి ఈ డినామినేటర్ సేమ్ ఉన్నది కదా, ఇక్కడ 4 అంటే ఇక్కడ 4 ఉన్నది కదా, అయితే 1 సేమ్ యాస్టీస్గా రాయాలి. మళ్ళీ ప్లస్ రాయండి. ఈ డినామినేటర్ 4 సేమ్ ఉన్నది కదా, అయితే 3 యాస్టీస్గా రాయండి. రాసిన తర్వాత 1 + 3 యాడ్ చేస్తే 4 అవుతుంది. ఈ డినామినేటర్ 4 ఇట్లా రాయండి. ఫస్ట్ 1 రాయండి, రాసిన తర్వాత బై రాసి 3 + 1 4, తర్వాత బై 4 రాయండి. 4 4 క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 1 కదా, 1/1 అంటే 1. ఆన్సర్ 1 అయింది. వన్స్ ఐల్ టెల్ ఇన్ హిందీ. ఏ secant square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 है. secant 60 डिग्री बोल तो 2 ना बोल तो स्क्वेयर है इसलिए स्क्वेयर लिखे, माइनस लिखो, tan 60 बोल तो √3 स्क्वेयर है तो √3 होल स्क्वेयर लिखे, बाई लिखे, बाद में sin 30 बोल तो 1/2 मगर sin स्क्वेयर है ना इसलिए स्क्वेयर लिखे, प्लस लिखो, cos 30 बोल तो √3/2 मगर स्क्वेयर है ना इसलिए होल स्क्वेयर लिखे. यहाँ पर स्क्वेयर रूट स्क्वेयर कैंसिल करें, करने के बाद 2 × 2 4 -3 लिखे, बाद में न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर के वैल्यू 1/2 2 × 2 बोलते 4 प्लस √3 होल स्क्वायर सेपरेट लिखे, √3/2 होल स्क्वायर क्या कैसे लिखे बोलते √3 होल स्क्वायर बाई 2 × 2 हो गया 2 स्क्वायर. ओके, √3 होल स्क्वायर बाई 2 स्क्वायर लिखे, बाद में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. स्क्वायर रूट स्क्वायर कैंसिल करें, ये 4 - 3 सब्सट्रैक्ट करें तो 1, ये 1/4 एज इट इज लिखो, प्लस लिखो, √3 स्क्वायर कैंसिल करो तो 3 बचा. यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में 2 × 2 बोलते हैं 4, बाद में यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर वैल्यूज को एलसीएम करना, ये 1 करेक्ट लिखो, 1 ICH लिखो, बाद में बाई लिखो, ये नीचे के वैल्यूज एलसीएम करे तो 4 इच ना. ओके, 4 लिखो एक बार, लिखने के बाद यहाँ पर भी 4 है, यहाँ पर भी 4 है, डिनोमिनेटर वैल्यू सेम है ना इसलिए न्यूमिनेटर सेम एज इट इज लिखो, प्लस लिखो, यहाँ पर भी डिनोमिनेटर सेम है ना इसलिए 3 एज इट इज ऊपर लिखो. लिखने के बाद क्या करना बोलता हूँ, यहाँ पर 1 ICH लिखो, लिखने के बाद ये 3 + 1 ऐड करो तो 4 न्यूमरेटर का, ये डिनोमिनेटर का 4 यहाँ पर इच लिखो, बाद में 4 4 कैंसिल करो, 1/1. ओके, 1/1 बोलता हूँ, 1/1 लिखो, लिखने के बाद 1/1 बोलता हूँ 1 इज ना, देयरफॉर आंसर इज 1. हेंस वी प्रूव.